run go up on the road go, you know, fix things most naturally. So I'm on board the spacecraft at the moment.
Stop, get them up, man. You got a washing machine up my yard. Let me just get them. You live like you.
See, I get lighter, you know.
Over time.
In can't say my lose kind of see.
I mean, I call you for you tell us that the man say come link it now. I answer your phone. What kind of style are you, man? I mean, no, you see you see you that. Before dog, so if you just slow him. Just slow him, dog, slow him. You don't want to say.
But before we tell it, man.
Yeah.
I don't say, well, left dog, I wish they can't get no
Alright, pretty cool.
Bless up. Blessings, yeah man. Stop by money, you know it's something mouth still dirty. Yeah man, I run. Yeah man, I'm there, general. I make a run go over here, you see? Alright. Yeah man. So you know it's something go open about this morning. I'm there on the 10 to a turbo. Yeah man. Walking. I feel like drive or ride. Yeah man, I take it easy this morning, dada. Yeah man. Sometimes I move too fast, man. You know, you lose out on the niceness of the countryside. Well, good for us to take a walk, you know. Stretch your legs. Yeah man, but you all know this something go. Up and about. Yeah man, I walk our bigs. Most naturally right now I'm over by Georgia. Yeah man. My little community. Well, shout out to you all from Somerset. That's watching. It's a blessing. Jamaica Yard Life.
Oh, alright.
Yeah man. Jamaica Yard Life 101. No. Bless up, dada, bless up. Yeah man, so I come in get up and I do the morning walk.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me just
yeah,
give them a little storyline and a part of my little history. Yeah man, and next rest of history again.
Yes.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, keep it up.
Yeah man. But me try for sure as much positive energy as much as possible, because you know so much things are going the other way. We could have video any little thing.
Yes.
Yeah man.
Yes man, that's true.
But me try to push out the positive side more. So if I too smart hour down the road and you know see me upload that.
That's true.
Yeah.
Cut cross, yeah.
Yeah man, guidance man, you know where something go.
Yeah, man.
Alright, dada. Yeah man, dada gonna bush there. Yeah man, that is it. They are open about and they go same way. But I have to link up with Kemar from RK3 Catering. So this morning, instead of riding out, I just say, you know, I'm gonna take a walk and soak up as much of the countryside as possible. Dada. Yeah man, big bro, I got you. Whoa, how out here, bro? Yeah man. Brother, I skate. Normally I would be skating, but as I say, feel like stretching the legs even though the rain I do this morning, but I say go. So Jaja blessings is up on us. Yeah man. No place like country. Trust me. Sometimes I wish there was a shortcut and we could have just cut through the hills and gone. Yeah man, but that's how you go. Yeah man. Morning. Alright. Yeah man. Ladies them up and about and the road. Whoa, so we have to put away the camera because this camera is not waterproof, so I don't want to get wet. So look a bit from this. So this is how you know that you're in country. Countryside to be in fact. You know what that is? If you know what that is, just put it in the comment section. Yeah man. No place like yard. See how the general stand up on the farm? Yo, security militant. That is it man. It's a blessing. But anyway, you know me, up and about and they go same way. Because it's a nice little journey and I love the walk. I love the walk. Yeah, man. Nothing like being able if you can walk and sightsee. Yeah, soak up that original, that nice country here. Trust me, it's a blessing, man. And the go. Aha, big bro. Many blessings, man. Yeah, man, but they have been doing some work around the communities. Well, quite a few communities and within the area, but they actually sort out Georgie Road, I'd say. A little. Yeah, man, not a whole lot. But trust me, I appreciate it. Sorry. I appreciate it. Because normally, man, you would have to go through like hell just to move from point A to point B. The road was like extremely bad. So, you know, there's something go. Shout out to all you all out there that's working on the road. Yeah, man. Within my area, I'd say. And everywhere else. Once you're a road worker, one love, man. Blessings every time. But I'm still en route to Biggs. Yeah, man. I was still here. I do some sightseeing. As you can see up on the bridge. This bridge that leads to Georgia community. That's in St. Thomas. Yeah, man. So we're up and about. Up and on the go. Yeah, man, you have to come out of the road, you know. Vehicle them. There. One has brother. Yeah, man, the general up and out. From early. Yeah, man. See if we can cut across here. Cut off and shade off some of the journey. I enjoy spending time in the outdoors a whole lot. Look at this view, man. Magnificent. Ciao. Yeah, I do that. You all soon get this. Gonna go hunting. That's the direction we head. Like we go up this mountain, go over it, and go over. Quite a few more. Yeah, man. But as you all can see, that's the rain up there. Yeah, man. Weather is on this morning, but we can't let it stop us, you know. Have to do the morning walk as usual. Yeah, man. Get the blood pumping, you know. Get the body fit. Most naturally. Yeah, man. Look at Bridget here. Saying you want to be at YouTube. Yo. You know it's something go. Youngster them. Want to learn the craft. Man as big, bro. Yeah, man. Gradually we'll show them what's popping. Yeah, man. This is just one of the many things why I love the outdoors, you know. You can get to see Mother Nature and just be one with it, I'd say. Yeah, man. So the whole family up and out, as you can see. Look at that. It's a blessing, man. No place like country. Yeah. Get up a morning and walk and I don't see these animals, trust me. It would be so heartbreaking. Yeah, man. These guys used to seeing me so much that see everybody I look. It's ugly man Jay that I do him YouTube video. Yeah, man, you know me and the sense of humor already. It's good to build a positive vibe, you know. Try to cheer up yourself and, you know, bring back that buzz most naturally. Because there is so much things that can break you or make you a yardia, and I have always wanted to slow down and do my videos like this, and I'm no longer in the shop. So, you know what that means? I'm gonna be up and out and about and so much more. Yeah, man. So invite a friend, a family, or anyone from yard or from abroad. Yeah, man, and tell them say Jamaica yard life. They are walk the ground, you know. you get to see Jamaica from a different perspective, a different aspect. Yeah, man. Real down to earth. I choose to vlog my lifestyle and take scenes from my lifestyle and publish them because I see it extremely challenging. It's one of the, what do I say, roughest challenge we, you know, project you to the world and see if the world like you. Yeah, man, but you know, there's something like we not do this for likes or nothing like that. We just do it for the natural love of our country. So, for me, I've been up and about and surviving a yard, yeah, to ups and downs, good and bad times. Yeah, man, and I decided to take you along with the journey. Yeah, man, so I'm drawing closer. The weather is on though. We're getting some rain at the moment. Let me show y'all. Oh my word, what a beautiful sunshine. Second to none, man. But anyway, this is it. Them always said there is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Yeah, man. So we are searching for the gold this morning. Yeah, man. I'll link up with Kemar from Aki3 Catering. Oh, I didn't say, but you all didn't know, but that up there that you're looking at, that mountain up there. Yeah, man, that is Blue Mountain Peak, to be in fact. So that's how close I live to Blue Mountain. Yeah, man, I just leave and pay a place I visit one at a time. Oh, damn it! As I was saying, that's Blue Mountain Peak up there. You see that little white. Yeah. Yeah, man, so. You know, I love my country life already. I'm up and about and, you know, there's something go. But there, yeah, they do the right thing. Yeah, man. And you know, if you watch the video to this far, I want to say thank you all for the support. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. Trust me, it really does help. Invite a friend or a family. Yeah, man. Come a yard, man. This is yard as is no preservative, no additive. Yeah, man. My virgin goat not up at the moment. I know this something go. Me raise animal too. Likewise, there is a lot of farmers within the area. So once we can lend a helping and every now and then, he would just do. Yeah, man. So I pull out the goat there, shift him up, make sure and get proper feeding. That is it.